Hey, what's up guys? It's your Bus Trend host here. And today we are diving into the latest iPhone 15 Pro leaks that are guaranteed to blow your mind. Apple is reserving its most controversial upgrades for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, and we have got exclusive details on what they are. So, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with the latest tech news. If you're an iPhone lover, you know that Apple always delivers with its annual updates. However, this year is different because the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max will feature a significant and divisive upgrade unlike anything we have seen on a smartphone before. That's right, we are talking about solid-state volume buttons that will work even when the battery is dead. Can you believe it? The all-new microprocessor will replace Apple's super low-energy mode used on current models, allowing the capacitive button presses to work at all times, with 3D touch-like functionality. But wait, there is more. As the rumors suggest, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are expected to have the world's thinnest bezels, a stunning new A17-chip, upgraded LiDAR, and a gigantic rear camera. And let's not forget about the action button, the same terminology Apple uses for the custom button on the Apple Watch Ultra. iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max owners will be able to select from an array of quick launch options such as the camera and custom shortcut options. Now, if you're a fan of the iPhone 14 Pro, the upgrade for the iPhone 15 Pro will be more moderate, including a redesign and dynamic island, a 16-chip, and USB-C, with MFE restrictions. But for those who want to live on the bleeding edge, expect iPhone 15 Pro prices to rise substantially. Update 03/12, the latest update confirms the capacitive buttons will work very well with gloves and cases, down to a sensitivity option that iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max owners will be able to access in settings. And get this, Apple is referring to the mute switch's solid-state replacement as the action button. It's exciting to think that users will be able to select from an array of quick launch options such as the camera and custom shortcut options. Update 04/01, while an iPhone 15 Ultra was the talk of the tech world for months, there is no evidence to suggest it is on the horizon. This is disappointing for those who were hoping for a bleeding-edge iPhone to sit above the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but it's not entirely unexpected. And there you have it, folks, the latest iPhone 15 Pro leaks that will undoubtedly have you on the edge of your seat. Are you excited about the new upgrades? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell and share this video with your friends to keep them in the loop. We will catch you in the next one.